Everyone, he got an oil change done.
Small loop, yep.
He's the one that said it, I didn't. But yeah, it was like $40-some, which wasn't bad compared to what he paid last time. He got it done at the dealership last time, and it was like $100-some just for an oil change. But I tried telling him that the place where I take my car is cheaper. But he has to use special oil on his, so it was a little bit more, but it's cheaper than what he paid before. Because he saved himself about $100. And
so I can buy tires.
Yeah, because he just found out he had bad tires, and I told him that a couple months. I told him that a couple months ago.
They're not bad; they're just going bad.
He already said that's a flat tire waiting to happen. Well.
Any tire's a flat tire waiting to happen.
Well, yeah, but.
Well, yeah, but.
If they get that bad, yeah, you need new tires.
Yeah, let it fall off.
That's your suggestion for everything. That's besides the point.
Not everything.
They never fixed that window.
Didn't they?
No. That's the window to Mike and Brandy's old place. It's still got tape on the window where it's cracked. They never fixed it. That's interesting. Yay, this looks fun. Not really, but. Well, everyone, I am going to stop right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.